Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix the swap failed error in Phantom Wallet. Let's get started. First open Google Chrome on your computer, then click on the extensions icon in the top right corner of your browser. From the list of extensions, find and click on Phantom Wallet to open it. Next, tap on the Swap button within your Phantom Wallet. Check if your transaction is failing with the swap failed error. Now click on the slippage icon located in the top right corner of the swap window. Here, turn off the auto toggle to manually adjust the slippage settings. You can choose between 0.5%, 1%, 2%, or set a custom percentage based on your preference. The higher slippage tolerance can help complete the transaction if there are price fluctuations during the swap. Once you've selected your desired slippage setting, click Confirm, then try swapping again to see if the issue is resolved. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.